For registering Gatepass, click on to Indent and select Gatepass. Enter the issued by and issued to column. Enter the item name and issued quantity. Click on to Save option. Issue indent saved successfully. You can print the issue indent details. For entering inward, click on to Indent and select Inward. Enter the returned by and Gatepass number. Once you enter the Gatepass number, the details automatically fills up. Enter the return quantity. Click on to Save option. Return indent saved successfully. You can print the issue indent details. Gatepass registration and the return inward for linen management has been done successfully. Thank you.